Welcome to Storytime Inspirations, where real-life lessons turn into stories of hope and courage. Today's story is about the struggle of choosing a college subject, something many of us face. It is called The Choice That Shaped My Future. Let's begin. When I finished high school, everyone asked me the same question. What will you study in college? My friends seemed so sure of their answers. One said, I'll be a doctor. Another said, I'll be an engineer. I smiled at them, but inside I felt lost. I liked many things. I enjoyed writing stories, but I also liked science. Sometimes I dreamed of being a teacher, and other times I wanted to be an artist. The more I thought about it, the more confused I became. My parents wanted me to choose something safe, like business or medicine. My teachers told me to think about my talents. My friends told me to just pick something fast, but in my heart, I was afraid of making the wrong choice. One evening, I sat in my room staring at my notebook. I wrote down all the subjects I liked, all the jobs I thought about. The list was long, and I felt even more unsure. I almost cried. Then my older cousin Anna came to visit. She noticed I was upset and asked why. I told her everything. I told her I was scared of choosing wrong, scared of wasting time, scared of failing. Anna smiled gently and said, choosing a subject is not about finding the perfect answer. It's about finding something that matches who you are and what you're willing to work hard for. Think about what excites you, what you can imagine doing for years, even when it gets hard. Her words stayed in my mind. That night, I thought deeply. I realized that what made me happiest was creating stories, sharing ideas, and helping people understand things. Writing, teaching, and communication, that was my world. The next day, I told my parents I wanted to study English and education. At first, they were worried. They asked, will you get a good job? Will it be safe? I didn't have all the answers, but I told them this. I want to study something that makes me come alive. If I love it, I will work hard, and I will make a future from it. They finally agreed. So I started my journey in college, studying English. It wasn't always easy. There were tough exams and days when I doubted myself. But most of the time, I felt joy. I loved learning. I loved sharing. I loved growing into the person I wanted to be. Looking back now, I see that choosing my subject was not about finding the safest road. It was about finding the road that matched my heart. And once I found it, I walked with confidence. Thank you for listening to The Choice That Shaped My Future. Remember, your future is not about finding the perfect path. It's about walking with passion and determination. If this story encouraged you, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Until next time, follow your heart and keep moving forward.